ओके सो जय हिंद एवरीवन।
जय हिंद सर।
तो जिस तरह से देखिए अभी हम जा रहे हैं कि नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट जीडी। ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे जीडी करने के लिए जा रहे हैं। तो इसके अंदर क्या है कि हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, देखिए क्या है कि मन के हारे हार और मन के जीते जीत, मान लिया तो हार है और ठान लिया तो जीत। देखिए लाइफ के अंदर कोई भी काम करना, देखिए हमारी ये जो क्लास है इसके अंदर डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं, यानी कि कुछ जो है एसएसबी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, कुछ मतलब जो है मतलब आप देखिए कि एनडीए के भी हैं, एफकेट के भी हैं, बाकी डिफरेंट एग्जाम के हैं। तो यहाँ पर हमारा सिर्फ एक ये पर्पस है कि बच्चों को किस तरह से कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में चीजों को रखा जाए, ताकि जो है किस तरह से हमें चीजें करनी है। तो सबसे पहले कुछ बच्चे नए भी हैं और कुछ पुराने भी हैं, तो आप जजमेंट करने से पहले आप एक बार सुन लीजिए। अगर कुछ पॉइंट गलत हो तो उसके अंदर रिस्क लेने की, यानी कि कमेंट करने की नेगेटिव जरूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, चलिए तो हम स्टार्ट करें। शैल वी स्टार्ट?
यस सर।
चलिए तो once again जय हिंद everyone।
जय हिंद सर।
So today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic and the recent topic that why women crime is increasing day by day in our country. Not in our country, in our world also. So first point is due to illiteracy and second is due to poor laws in our country and third point is unemployment. So gentlemen, I request chest number 9, so please proceed.
Good evening, sir. Our topic is why women crime is increasing day by day. Women are the main pillar of our nation, but we are always discriminated. Since history we listen that women are always in the part of discrimination. Like we see sati pratha, child marriage, which is abolished by William Bentley. And till today we are seeing that there are the famous wrestler in India, and they are being doing a strike for their betterment, and they are employed, and we see that they winning the Olympic medal for our country. But why they are feeling so discriminated in our country?
Yes, I appreciate what I feel that the women's crime is increasing because of the education. Basically, according to the census 2011, when you see that the difference between the male and the female illiteracy is the highest. So they show that in the some part of the Rajasthan, the practice like the child marriage is still exists in some part of India, and this can only be stopped when these women are being educated.
Yes, I appreciate point in my opinion that
the main problem is our
past
society.
there is
As
the
a
dowry system
that we
in
think
the
in our
world.
society. As we talk about in history, there is so much of discrimination for the women. As we talk about in Saudi Arabia, there was a burqa where the women can't go out without the burqa, and there is no such
In my opinion, I talk
the
about
main reason of women
it.
crime is illiteracy, because we are find that the women are always depend on the husband. But the people think that they cannot do anything without their husband. But
Yes,
we
I
are seeing that
appreciate-
as we are
Yes, I
increasing the
appreciate-
literacy,
Yes, I
we are
appreciate-
always
That
we
the
are
Kerala
always
is a highly
seeing the crime
literate
is
state.
not
If I
increasing.
talk about it's also due to the illiteracy rate also.
Appreciate
Yes,
your
I
point.
appreciate
In
your
my
point.
opinion, I think so that like from the earlier time we see that the women were known to be a burden of the society. If I talk about like Europe, we have seen that the France Revolution was taking place when the woman was also taking part in the France Revolution, and we also see in the India history only the women are totally playing a important role to development also and for the revolution. So we can't say that they are not they are the burden. They are the only thing that who can change the society also.
And
Yes,
we
I
are
talk about it. Day by day,
What I feel.
Give chance to everyone. Okay, don't try to put your point. First listen. देखिए एक सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं, लेकिन बेटा आपने ये चीज भी देखना है कि आपने अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू टॉपिक आपने देखना है। ये नहीं कि किसी को कोई बोल रहा है तो आप उसको सुन नहीं रहे। देखिए अ गुड लिसनर इज अ गुड स्पीकर, दूसरे को सुनना भी है, अपनी बात आपने बतानी भी है, लेकिन आपने चीजों को देखना है पहले। ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं एकदम से कट करके इधर उधर नहीं करना है। ठीक है, चलो।
Yes, I appreciated
Based
in
on
my
the-
opinion that in the past time we see that there is a dowry system and the child labor system, and in now present times there is the discrimination by the our society that women cannot do anything, but nowadays women is participating in every sector of our nation.
Yes, I appreciate your point. In my opinion, the problem is our society. As we know about the states like Haryana, as there is no equality of the women. The girl child is killed before the born, and it is a burden on the society.
Yes, I take your point. If I talk about that, it is also mentioned in our Sustainable Development Goals as the gender equality. So if I talk about in our recent news also, as we know that the Sakshi case, it is also due to the lack of the privacy, and there is a lack of implementation of the rules and regulations by the Indian government also.
Yeah, I appreciate your
Yes,
point.
yes.
We have seen in the recently news also, and it was only like with the Shraddha murder case. So we can see as he mentioned that article like 21 that like the right to privacy. So we can see that the technology is the main role that totally increasing the crime day by day. So we should always use the technology by with our rules and regulation to be not harm to be
I am
Yes,
agree
yes,
with
yes,
that.
yes, yes,
To
yes,
maintain the dignity of the woman, and according to the NCRB report, the women crime against women is increased to 65% in 2021. Earlier in 2022, it is 56%, and we are seeing that the crime against women is increasing day by day. As we have
Yes, yes, yes.
The government has launched many of the schemes like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and give the education to the girl child, and it is a very important to the country.
Yes, I agree with your point. If you will see that the Delhi is unsafe for the girls only, as the US also awarded the Delhi as an unsafe place for the girls.
Yes, I appreciate your point.
Yes, I appreciate your point. In my point of view, that the women crime is increasing due to the illiteracy, as the women are not aware of about their rights. And like in Haryana, as the Chestnut Dwelly said about it, in Haryana, the most of the girls killing is very high. And also we talk about there should be also improvement in the judicial reform. We talk about in the Nirbhaya case, we all the proofs of still due to the for our some rules which are not still are not changes. Due
Yes,
to
I agree with your
like
point. I also see in the recent news that the photo officers are protesting against the.
Okay, so gentlemen, I appreciate with your all of your points. So basically, if I talk about from the India only, so in India, so there are poor laws, and because of this only, like we can take the example of the Nirbhaya case, and it also so it take many years to solve the problem in the Supreme Court, and I think that this is the problem that why India is facing that much of the problem in its
Yes,
nation,
yes,
as
yes,
because the people have that mentality that they should the women are not treated equality.
Yes,
Yes, I appreciate your point. There should be awareness about the women, that women can do everything in a society.
As we know that there should be also an anti-discrimination scheme, so that the people firstly change the mindset towards the women, as they think that the women are the burden in the society.
I think we should also educate the women for the self-defense. We should taught that like what is a good touch and a bad touch, and it also decrease the crime against women. And there are the various schemes by the government, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Nirbhaya, and we should always utilize that. We should motivate the women to apply for that scheme if they are not.
Yes, I appreciate your point. In my opinion, we should give the equal rights to the women and literacy to the women, as they can perform anything in the society. As nowadays, very improving by the many of the government laws, that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao gives
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes, I appreciate
In
your point.
my opinion, I think so. Like we have seen that in the constitution also, and in the recent news, every news have a pros and cons. So we should always not seeing the cons. We have to see the pros also. Always we see that the women are teachers that to be all rounder, and they can do in any field they can do better. So we have seen that this is not a problem of India, this is the problem of globally. We are seeing that globally also that the people are not totally not focusing on the women, and they are totally focusing on the the men's
In
people,
my
and they
opinion-
are not giving the right equal to as men's have.
Yes,
agree
I
with your
appreciate
point, and I
your
want to
point.
add
In my
point
opinion,
that,
government
if we also see that, so basically from the India only, so now we can see that the illiteracy is there, and because of this only, like we can take the example of the POSCO Act only, which was released in 2012, and it in its statement it said that whosoever